Hello, students. Welcome to my second presentation on the topic that is the globalization of business and people in the 21st century, part 1. It means this is the benefits of globalization in 21st century. So this is the the second lecture of the MBA part 2 semester 3, and the subject is cross cultural management, elective 5, international business, paper number 3. And this course, MBA course, online MBA course, is offered by Center for Distance and Online Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. I am your teacher, Dr. Sunil Goswami, Assistant Professor in Department of Economics at Srimati K.G. Mittal College of Arts and Commerce, Malad West, Mumbai. Students, globalization, it is nothing but this is the process of interconnecting our economy with global economy. It is multifaceted global phenomenon. It has accelerated rapidly in the 21st century, driven by technology, trade, liberalization, and connectivity. It impacts on economies, societies, cultures, and environment. So these are a few benefits of globalization. It leads expansion of international trade and capital markets. It increased interconnectedness across borders. It leads growth of multinational business, and finally, it leads creation of global peace and growth dividend. Students, let's discuss the advantages of globalization. So this is first one, economic benefits of globalization. Yes, globalization, it leads global economic output. It means that global output of goods and services which is expanded due to globalization. Globalization leads to increase the demand for economic output, and this demand increase in demand for global economic output leads in high price for this such a type of output, and it leads expansion of the global economic output of the all member countries. It leads higher economic growth across member countries, as well as it increase international trade and investment. Yes, that volume of international trade and volume of investment, that is a capital flow from one country to another country, has increased in unprecedented manner in a large volume. And this international trade and investment leads strong convergence in per capita income of the member countries. Now, this is second advantage of the globalization. It leads poverty reduction and income growth. Uh, the process of globalization has reduced the uh, extreme poverty of the million people. It has expanded the global middle class. So this globalization has available the employment opportunities, and as well on the other hand, it has available the affordable goods at a reasonable price. So access of affordable goods at reasonable price leads saving, as well as employment opportunities due to globalization has increased the level of per capita income. It leads uh, lifted out or reduction in extreme poverty of billion people, and this improved the standard of living of the labor of the people worldwide among the member countries. The next benefit enjoys by the consumers. So consumer, they have the access nowadays. They have the access to wide variety of global goods and services with the lower price at higher quality, because there is increase in healthy international competition among the business groups, which has improved the efficiency as well as quality of products, and it lead greater consumer choice, as well as it means nowadays consumers, they have the greater choice of goods and services, due to competition. The next advantage is technology, innovation, and knowledge transfer due to globalization. Yes, we should agree that due to globalization, that technology and innovation which are motivated in a sudden manner, as well as there is knowledge transfer, there is technology transfer due to globalization. So cross-border transfer of technology and know-how which is expanded. Earlier, there were some limitations on the transfer of technology and know-how, but nowadays that technology, advanced technology, which may transfer or which is transferring from one country to another country, like the advanced technology transfers from Japan to India. It leads increase innovation and productivity. Yes, globalization has increased the scope for the innovation and productivity because nowadays there is cut off competition, there is healthy competition among the business organizations, international business organizations, and now they are supposed to develop the innovation in production as well as they are supposed to increase the productivity of their firms, as well as it lead the global collaboration among the firms. Yes, there is there is that opportunities for the global collaboration among the firms, and it lead development of new products and services. Yes. Next advantage is employment and economic development. Yes. So globalization has attracted the huge amount of foreign direct investment, and this FDI has created the jobs in developing countries. And because of this job employment opportunities, it has improved labor mobility from one country to another country, from one market to another market. And because of this FDI, because of this innovation, because of the higher productivity, it has led the economies of scale, which reduce the cost of production. So this is it leads economic development of the country with the global development. As well as globalization also impacted on social and cultural variables. Uh, it means due to globalization that barriers on the cultural exchange of ideas, exchange of values, these barriers which are removed. And nowadays, freely we can exchange our culture through the media like WhatsApp, like Instagram, like Facebook. We can exchange ideas, we can exchange values, and it leads increase intercultural understanding. Yes, it means it helped lot to understand intercultural. That means cultural culture of one community and culture of another community. To understand the culture of another community, it has helped lot. It leads growth in tourism and services. Yes, particularly the tourism like agro-tourism, that growth of agritourism has led because of the globalization, and it has promoted global cooperation. Yes, so global cooperation which is possible because of the globalization. Yes, this globalization process of globalization which is not free from the challenges. So first one, unemployment in certain domestic industries. Yes, certain domestic industries like as bank, like as IT. So there is use of advanced technology like as e-banking, like as UPI apps, like as ATM machine, like as printing machine, like as computers. So many more employees in the bank industry, financial industry, they have lost their jobs. Income inequality, yes, now because of the globalization, richer is becoming more rich and poor is becoming more poor. As well as it has led environmental depletion and degradation and climate change. Yes, so industrialization has led farming and industrialization as well as infrastructural development has led depletion of natural resources, which led the environmental degradation, as well as climate change. So this is change in climate. There is change in climate, and averagely 1% to 2% global climate, which is increased due to globalization, as well as because of the globalization. we that a particular member country is losing its national sovereignty. It means it has been becoming more and more dependent on other countries. Like as suppose we have been getting we are receiving FDI, more and more FDI from the US, America. So as well as we are exporting more and more commodities to America, so we become more and more dependent. We are losing our sovereignty. So this is the concern, and these are the challenges of globalization. Finally, we can conclude that globalization has impact on economic, social, and environmental sectors. It has rise up economic, social, and environmental challenges, as well as it leads resource depletion and emissions of gases due to more and more industrialization, extensive farming, infrastructural development, and it leads resource depletion as well as emissions of gases. Despite these limitations, we cannot neglect the role of globalization. It is necessity, and is a major game changer in global trade and development. So, students, this is from my side. Thank you. If you have any questions or doubts, feel free to ask me. You can mail me. I can share my mail to the authorities. Thank you.